Introduce features interest for KOVEBBLE portable cordless car handheld vacuum cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. It's more than enough suction to clean up crumbs, dirt, sand, pet hair and just about any other mess inside your vehicle. Which can effectively pick up things weigh about 1.1 pounds with 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery and fast charge tech. KOVEBBLE cordless handheld vacuum cleaner could work constantly for 20 to 30 minutes after fully charged for 2 to 3 hours. Measures in at under 65 decibels, meaning conversations don't have to stop when the suction starts. This portable cordless handheld car vacuum cleaner is light and comfortable to carry. The whole machine weighs just 1.9 pounds and powerful enough to draw every type of debris or particle that can be found inside a modern vehicle. It will come with a filter which supports dry and wet use and can quickly suck debris and spilled liquid inside the car. The debris bin is sizable and semi-translucent so users can see just how much sucks it has sucks. When it comes to times to dump the dirt, the process is simple and reasonably clean. A lid opens with the flip of a switch, releasing the contents form the container. The detachable dust cup head is good for quick and easy trash dumping, and you are ready right away to continue the rest of your cleaning. The vacuum is lightweight, portable, convenient, and, most importantly, it has incredible suction. A clean and dust-free driving experience is right around the corner with a little help from our car vacuum cleaner out there. Use the included attachments to quickly clean up any mess around your vehicle, boat, home, or office. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.